Hello students, today we are going to study here physical properties of carboxylic acids and then chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Now in these physical properties of carboxylic acids, first of all we see here state lower carboxylic acids. Lower means they contain from carbon number 1 to 9, from formic acid to up to 9 carbon atoms, means non-anionic acid, are colorless liquids, while higher solids means which contains more than 9 carbon atoms, they are solids at room temperature. Then color, they are colorless. All acids, they are colorless. Odor, particularly in odors, lower members have irritating or pungent odor. Lower members have irritating or pungent odor. That as the number of carbon atom increases, that pungent odor becomes less. Then boiling point. Carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than, it is important, carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than alkanes, ethers, aldehydes, ketones and alcohols, because they form double intermolecular hydrogen bonding, that is known as dimerization. Here like this, here is a CH3 C double bond OH, it is a molecule of acetic acid. Here it is a polar bond, oxygen carries, here shared pair of electrons shifted to this hydrogen atom, hydrogen carries negative charge of oxygen, this oxygen atom, here shared pair of electrons that is shifted to this oxygen atom, and hydrogen carries partial positive charge, oxygen carries negative charge. Similarly in the another molecule like this, CH3 C double bond O, here now CH3 C double bond O OH, it is partial positive, partial negative. Again here it is also polar bond, it carries negative charge, this oxygen also carries negative. There is a weak bond formation takes place between this hydrogen and oxygen. Here again weak bond formation takes place between this oxygen and hydrogen, and here it is dimerization. Di means two molecules of acetic acid, they are attached to this by these hydrogen bonds, and such hydrogen bonds, to break such hydrogen bonds more energy is required. Therefore boiling point of carboxylic acids is higher than that of alkanes, ethers, aldehydes, ketones and alcohols. Such type of the hydrogen bonding and dimer of acid, it is also known as dimer of acetic acid, because two molecules they are combined by these hydrogen bonds. Therefore boiling point of carboxylic acid is higher than that of alkanes, aldehydes, ketones and alcohols. Then solubility. Lower members are soluble in water. Lower members of carboxylic acids, they are soluble in water because they form HC double bond OH. They can form bonding between this. Such type of the lower members, they can form the hydrogen bonding. They can form the bond with this water molecule like this, and they get dissociated in water. But as the number of carbon atom increases, here this carbon chain increases, CH3 CH2 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 like this, it is a hydrophobic end. As the number of carbon atom increases, number of hydrogen and carbon atoms also increases. Here this hydrocarbon part increases, it is hydrophobic, it is hydrophobic end. Therefore if more number of carbon atoms are present, that type of the carboxylic acids cannot combine with water molecules. Hence, as the number of carbon atom increases, solubility decreases. Higher carboxylic acids are insoluble in water due to increased hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water heating interaction of hydrocarbon part. Hydrocarbon part वाटला की हा water सोबत combine होत नाही. Therefore as the number of carbon atom increases, solubility decreases. It is regarding about the physical properties of acids. Now chemical properties. First of all we will see here Acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are acidic in nature due to the presence of carboxyl group. Such type of the carboxyl group is present in acids and they can donate this H plus ions. Such type of the H plus, after dissociation they can donate such H plus ions. Therefore, and the compounds which can donate or which can after dissociation can give this such H plus ions are always acidic in nature. Here, due to the presence of carboxyl group, carboxylic acid show the acidic character. In aqueous solution, hydrogen atom of carboxyl group dissociates and carboxylate ion is formed. Such type of the when carboxylic acid is added in water, it dissociates in water and it produces carboxylate ion or C double bond O minus. This hydrogen atom combines with this H2O and formation of H3O plus. It is conjugate acid base. Here now it is carboxylate ion. Such type of the carboxylate ion formation takes place, and this carboxylate ion is stabilized by two different resonance structures. ॲसिडिक कॅरेक्टर केव्हा जास्त असतं, हा कार्बॉक्सिलेट आयन हायड्रोजन डोनेट केल्यानंतर हा कार्बॉक्सिलेट आयन जो तयार झाला तो स्टेबल झाला पाहिजे. अँड दिस कार्बॉक्सिलेट आयन इज स्टॅबिलाइज्ड बाय टू रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर्स ॲज लाईक दिस. हिअर नाव हिअर दिस इज कार्बॉक्सिलेट आयन आर सी डबल बॉन्ड O minus. Here now each oxygen atom has two lone pair of electrons, but here hydrogen, that is to be H plus, that is proton, is donated by this oxygen atom. Therefore it has one more lone pair of electron and it carries negative charge. Here is it is a structure of carboxylate ion. This carboxylate ion now it is stabilized like this. Here now here this pair of electron it is shifted here and double bond formation takes place in between this carbon and oxygen. And here at the same time here the one of the bond out of these two bonds, one of the bond breaks and here pair of electron, shared pair of electron it is shifted to this oxygen atom and we will get the structure like this. R here is double bond formation and two lone pair of electrons. यानी इलेक्ट्रॉनचा पेयर डोनेट केला, अगोदरचा निगेटिव्ह चार्ज डोनेट अँड द ॲटम अँड ॲटम ऑर स्पेसिस विच डोनेट्स द पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दॅट कॅरीज पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. डोनेट केल्यामुळे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आला, अगोदरचा निगेटिव्ह चार्ज, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज निगेटिव्ह चार्ज एकत्र आला तो न्यूट्रल झाला. अँड हिअर इट कॅरीज ओ, देर इज वन मोर लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. हा इकडे हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर पेयर शेड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इट इज ट्रान्सफर टू दिस ऑक्सिजन ॲटम अँड इट कॅरीज निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. इन दिस वे हिअर वी कॅन राईट द सेम स्ट्रक्चर. इट मीन्स दॅट दिस नागेन the shared pair of electron is shifted here shifted here and again here pair of electron it is shifted to the oxygen atom. It is known as a resonance structure. In this way that negative charge after donating that H plus ion which is present here on this oxygen, that is to be stabilized, and finally we can write the same structure like this RCO. हा निगेटिव्ह चार्ज या ऑक्सिजनवर असू शकतो, या याला सुद्धा डोनेट करण्याची पद्धत आहे. ओ हिअर इज निगेटिव्ह चार्ज कॉमन हिअर अँड वी कॅन डोनेट दॅट बॉन्ड लाईक दिस बाय डॉटेड लाईन. इट इज नोन ॲज रेझोनन्स हायब्रिड स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज रेझोनन्स हायब्रिड. It indicates this negative charge is present on this oxygen atom and also this oxygen atom, and this dotted line indicates that one of the bond that is unstable, it may be transferred to this oxygen or it may be transferred to this another oxygen atom like that. Then here therefore such type of the resonance stabilization takes place here of this carboxylate ion. Therefore carboxylic acids are the bases. Carboxylate ion is stabilized by two. It is the first structure and it is second by these two resonance structures. Hence carboxylic acid shows the acidic character. Weak acidic, but acids are the carboxylic acids are the weak acids. Weak acidic nature of carboxylic acids can be explained on the basis of equilibrium constant expression. Carboxylic acids ionize or dissociate slowly or incompletely in aqueous solution and produce and proton and proton by forming carboxylate ion in aqueous solution and produce proton by forming carboxylate ion like this. And again same reaction here, RC double bond OH plus H2O, it dissociates and it gives RC double bond O minus plus H3O. Now here it is a weak acid. Carboxylic acids are the weak acid. There is no complete dissociation of this weak acid in this water. कंप्लीट याचं डिसोसिएशन होत आहे. 100 सगळेच मॉलिक्युल्स डिसोसिएट होऊन RCO कार्बोक्सिलेटमध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार नाहीत बिकॉज दे आर weak acids and it is expressed in terms of dissociation constant. A weak acid is here now K, it is a acid constant. It is to be represented like this by applying this law of mass action. Concentration of RCOO minus concentration of products here is divided by concentration of reactants, RCOOH log RCOH into the concentration of H2. It is K, it is explained the dissociation constant K is equal to concentration of reactants here, RCO, concentration of products RCO minus into concentration of H3O plus divided by concentration of reactants, that is RCOH and H2O. But here H2O that remains as it is constant, therefore Ka is equal to, it is constant, therefore there is no need to take the concentration of this H2O. Here is H3O plus divided by RCOOH. Here K, concentration of water remains constant, therefore above equation becomes like this: K is equal to RCOO into concentration of H3O plus divided by concentration of carboxyl. Dissociation constant, now see here, dissociation constant K is also known as acidity constant. It is also known as acidity constant. From the above equation it is found that more the value of K, K ची जेवढी व्हॅल्यू जास्त असेल that stronger is the carboxylic acid. K ची व्हॅल्यू जेवढी जास्त तेवढं स्ट्रॉंग. इट मीन्स दॅट ही जर व्हॅल्यू जास्त याची असेल तर ही व्हॅल्यू याचं डिसोसिएशन जास्त होईल डिवायडेड बाय आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलेट. ही व्हॅल्यू जर मोठी असेल तर ही टोटल जी व्हॅल्यू येते ती कमी येते, म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त डिसोसिएट जर झालं तर ते जास्त स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड. देअरफॉर फ्रॉम द अबोव इक्वेशन इट इज फाउंड दॅट मोर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ के, या के ची व्हॅल्यू जेवढी जास्त दॅट इंडिकेट्स द स्ट्रॉंग इज द कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. The strength of carboxylic acid, again here strength of carboxylic acid is also explained in terms of pKa. It is also expressed in case of in the form of in terms of pKa. It is here dissociation constant K, that is to be taken pKa. pKa is equal to negative log of Ka. Negative log of, here it is a constant. Strength of carboxylic acid is also explained in terms of pKa. pKa is equal to negative log of Ka. Now above equation states that smaller the pKa value, इथं मात्र निगेटिव्ह के च्या व्हॅल्यूच्या पाठीमागे निगेटिव्ह आहे, म्हणून आता इथं काय होतं के ची व्हॅल्यू जास्त असेल तर ॲसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ जास्त, पण पीके ची व्हॅल्यू ज्यावेळेस आपण काढतोय त्यावेळेस ते निगेटिव्ह सिम्बॉल असल्यामुळे हिअर अबोव इक्वेशन स्टेट्स दॅट स्मॉलर द पीके व्हॅल्यू स्ट्रॉंगर इज द ॲसिड. पीके जर व्हॅल्यू आपण कॅल्क्युलेट पीके व्हॅल्यू जर बघत असूयात तर व्हॅल्यू ज्याची स्मॉल तो जास्त स्ट्रॉंग. फक्त के ची व्हॅल्यू जर असेल बघत असूयात तर ज्याची व्हॅल्यू जास्त के ची तो स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड. बट acidic strength is always mentioned in the form of these pK values. Therefore we have to see these pK values of some acids after this. Above equation states that smaller is the pK value, stronger is the carboxylic acid. Now there is one more such type of the problem is given in our book, that is problem 12.1. or such type of the question that may be asked in the examination, board examination. Explain why carboxylic acid is a strong acid than alcohols and phenols, or why OH of carboxylic acid readily loses hydrogen. OH group of carboxylic acid readily loses hydrogen ion, means proton, than OH of alcohol and phenol. Or another question is given like this, that is to be given in our book. Alcohols ROH, phenols AROH, and carboxylic acids RCOH can undergo ionization of OH bond to give away proton. Yet they have different pKa values, 16, 10 and 4.5 respectively. Explain. याचा अर्थ या सगळ्यांच्या मध्ये हा सगळेच अल्कोहोल असेल ROH, फिनॉल असेल AROH, और कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड असेल RCOH, या सगळ्यांमध्येच हा O आणि H मधला बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतोय. सगळेच H+ डोनेट करतायत, बट दे हॅव डिफरंट pKa व्हॅल्यूज. But why they have different pKa values? But they have different pKa values. That is 16, 10. It has 16, it has 10, and it has 4.5. आता मी तुम्हाला म्हणालो होतो की जितकी व्हॅल्यू कमी तो जास्त ॲसिडिक, म्हणून pKa व्हॅल्यूची हा जास्त ॲसिडिक आहे इन कम्पॅरिझन टू दॅट ऑफ द ॲसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दिस RCOH इज मोर दॅन दॅट ऑफ फिनॉल्स, अँड फिनॉल्स दे आर मोर ॲसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ दॅन दॅट ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स. Here and now it can be explained on the basis of pKa values different का आहेत, because in alcohols when the bond between this O and H breaks here, it gives alkoxide ion plus H plus. Now this alkoxide ion RO minus, here it is not stabilized because this oxygen atom is attached to this alkyl group, and this alkyl group, it is electron donating group. It is now here, due to the breaking of that O and H bond, this oxygen atom acquires a shared pair of electron and it carries negative charge. Already it is a electron rich species now. It is, and again this R means it is electron donating group. It donates the electrons to this oxygen atom. Therefore this oxygen, it becomes unstable. It is unstable. जितका जास्त स्टेबल होईल तितका ॲसिडिक कॅरेक्टर जास्त, हा अनस्टेबल होतो. Therefore this alcohol, it does not release this H plus easily, and therefore alcohols are weak acids, or they have very high pKa value. Then in case of phenols, such type of the structure is C6H5OH. Here the bond between this phenol O and H breaks and it gives the structure like this, O minus. Here oxygen atom, it has 2 lone pair of electrons, and there is one shared pair of electron is acquired to this oxygen atom due to the breaking of this O and H bond. Here now this, in this structure, this phenoxide ion, alkoxide ion, it is not stabilized, but up to some extent this phenoxide ion is stabilized due to the transfer of this negative charge to this benzene ring structure like this. It transfers this negative charge or this shared pair of electron to this benzene ring structure, and at the same time the shared pair of electron of this here the double bond is present here. Out of here shared pair of electron, out of these two bonds one bond breaks here, and that shared pair of electron is shifted to this ortho position, and we will get the structure like this. Here is double bond formation O, and here it carries shared pair of electron, and it carries negative charge. In this way that negative charge is stabilized by this benzene ring structure. Again this ring, it is stabilized to this, it is stabilized by transferring this negative charge on two ortho positions and at one para positions. In this way, in comparison to that alcohols, here negative charge or phenoxide ion is stabilized by these benzene ring structures. Therefore phenols are more acidic than that of alcohols. Now what happens in case of carboxylic acids? In carboxylic acids, the formula of here now are, here I have given here phenol, it dissociates O minus phenoxide ion and H plus. This phenoxide ion, it is stabilized. That is known as resonance stabilization, negative resonance effect. Here it is positive inductive effect. Here in case of these alcohols, there is a positive inductive effect which destabilizes this alkoxide ion. Here it is a negative resonance effect, it stabilizes this phenoxide ion up to some extent. And here in case of this, it shows again, if the bond between this, here is RC double bond OH, here the bond between this oxygen and hydrogen breaks and it gives carboxylate ion, RC double bond O minus plus H plus. This oxygen atom already it has 2 lone pair of electrons, and here one shared pair of electron is shifted to this oxygen, therefore it carries negative charge, and there are now 3 lone pair of electrons. Now this carboxylate ion, it is resonance stabilized like this. It is stabilized by 2 resonance structures, R C double bond O. Here each oxygen carries 2 lone pair of electrons. Now here this oxygen atom, it carries one more pair of electron. that is to be given by this H plus. Here again, this negative charge, it is stable, it is a carboxylate ion. याचं स्टॅबिलायझेशन जर झालं, it is more stable than that of phenoxide and alkoxide ion, because here this negative charge, it is transferred here, double bond formation takes place, it is stabilized like this, and at the same time the here pair of electron, it is shared pair of electron between this carbon and oxygen, it is transferred to this oxygen and gives another structure like this, R, C, O, here is O, double bond O now, and here it carries 3 pair of electrons like this and carries negative charge. Again here it is stabilized by transferring this pair of electron like this here, and again here shared pair of electron is transferred to this oxygen atom and negative charge. Double bond formation takes place between this carbon and oxygen. Here these are the interconvertible structures, or we can write the resonance hybrid structure like this, R, C, O, O, हा double bond transfer होत राहतो म्हणून it is to be denoted by this dotted line, and there is a negative charge that is denoted like this at the center of these two oxygen atoms. Therefore, in this way, these are the more stable structures. Negative charge, or this is carboxylate ion, it is stabilized by such resonance structures, and it is more stable than that of phenoxide ion. Therefore, carboxylic acids are more acidic than that of phenoxide ion, phenols, and phenols are more acidic than that of alcohols. Remaining part that we will discuss in the next period. Today stop here. Thank you.